everyone, it's Luca Volpe here, and I'm very happy to present to all of you my brand new book, Always at the Top. I've been a performer for over 30 years now, and I'm very lucky to be able to travel all around the world. And sometimes I even do 20 hours flight for 30-minute show. And to keep up with this piece, taking care of yourself is everything. In this book, I'm sharing my personal secrets on how to look after your mind and body. I'll walk you through how to pack smart, how to get ready before a show, and all the little details that makes a huge difference. I even teamed up with a professional personal trainer to share exercise that you can do before a performance to get your energy up. Plus, for the first time ever, I'm giving you my 12-month business program to level up your gigs and your income. This is not a book of tricks. It's about the real secrets to become a better performer and stay at the top of your game.